Hey guys, I just finished cleaning up my headlight lenses, maintenance. Didn't take much in terms of buffing them and sealing them. So then I got to think, this is made out of plastic too, my tail lights. So I could feel them, there's a little bit of roughness. They still look kind of clear. So it probably wouldn't take much. So I'm gonna just use if you look at the other video, I'm just gonna use a 5000 pad with some rubbing compound. I'm just gonna do it by hand because I don't feel like masking everything off, and then use the polishing compound and then go ahead and put the sealer on. So let me go ahead and start rubbing away on this one. Okay, I just finished using this 5000 pad with some rubbing compound on it and wiped it off. Now it actually feels much smoother. So I'm going ahead and use the polishing compound with the 5000 pad and then put the sealer on. So I'm done using the 5000 pad along with polishing compound, just like I did on the headlights. So I just need to clean it off and put the sealer on. Okay, done putting the sealer on, which is the same thing I used on my headlights. It's a headlight lens sealer, but it should work on your tail light too. And basically just have to spray it on, wipe it on, wait for it to dry, and actually it feels much smoother now. You don't feel that grime on it, just like I did on the headlights. So probably should do your tail lights too. They don't get as bad because you're not driving 60 miles an hour into the wind, so they're a lot less effort, and I think it actually make them clearer. So good luck on yours and doing your tail lights.